Welcome back. Today we're grouting. I started yesterday, but I found it a little bit challenging, and I thought this was something that was gonna be easy, but it ended up more work than I thought. It dries really fast, and I'm gonna do something different today. Back when I was in Mexico, I made bolis and grout in, well, I'll show you. And we're gonna try it out and see how it goes, and hopefully it speeds up the process for today, makes it a lot easier, and I can finish. It takes about 7 days for the grout to cure completely. You cannot get it wet. Don't mess with it for 7 days, okay? So let's get started. This is the first thing that we're gonna use. You're gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need this sponge, or a sponge or two. The silicone, the trowel, one of these things to mix it if you don't have a mixer for grouting and thin set and all that, and towels. And don't forget, outside you want to be in a well-ventilated area, so I added a little bit of water. Pour a little bit in there. It's like toothpaste. Just like toothpaste. So this is perfect. This is the first time I've ever done it, so I'm excited. Comes out. So save yourself the trouble and just use one of these to take them out. Okay, wiggle it. There you go. Take all the water out completely. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna continue on. before you're wearing your mask. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of water. Gonna mix it up. Now we have our mix, and as you see, it looks like toothpaste. So it's perfect. Now we're putting some fresh water in the bucket for your sponge. When you're doing this, maybe wear some goggles too or something, because that powder stuff just got in my eyes and it hurts. And also keep in mind that whatever you use, so the bowl, this, you are probably gonna have to throw it away. Okay, you don't want to use it for food again, or whatever you used it for previously. Plus it's so hard to take off, you're really just gonna have to throw it away. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be my creative plan. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, oh well. Seal it up. I'm going to cut the tip. Just a little bit. Better to cut less, just squeeze it out. Okay, so here's our first attempt. I guess you could say icing our grout. As best I can. And as fast as I can, because this, I've learned, it dries really quick, as I stated. To clean all this up, to line it up nicely, I'm getting a blade and I'm just cleaning it up like that. Thank you guys so much for watching this entire video and staying till the very end. I appreciate it. We are finally finished with the grouting part of the shower. I'm so happy we got through it. Now we need to wait 7 days in order to finish the rest, and the next thing that I'm going to do is we're going to seal it because grout is not waterproof, so we are going to make it waterproof. Silicone around the edging to make sure that no water gets behind the tiles or in the cracks of the tiles for the next video. And also I just want to mention this works perfect if you're doing a smaller project like I did. You know, this is a very small project compared to doing the entire shower or something like that. In that case, then I would use a bucket like this. That was a 5-gallon paint bucket. So buckets like those, okay? I wouldn't suggest doing this for a big project. If you don't like either one of those, don't give up. Don't get frustrated. Find another way, something that works for you, but you can get through it, okay? You can get through this. Don't quit until you finish, okay? I hope that this video added value to you. I hope that it helped you out, and if it did, please hit that like button. And you would like to see more videos like this, then hit that bell so you get the notifications when my next video comes out. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching DIY with Lauren.